Alright, I'm going to do a quick recap. Just this box break here we did of Diamond Team 2015. Pretty cool break. Before we wrap up the evening, the inserts out of it again were Walter Austin Mini, Chase Utley Mini, Chris Sale frame. Inserts with Big Poppy, Robinson Cano, Eddie Murray, Mariano Rivera, Jacob DeGrom, Stan Musial, Mike Trout, and Freddie Freeman. The inserts are pretty cool. Nice number 25 pull holes again, 21 of 25. Cool insert of him. Great speaker. He is number 24 of 99. Nice blue frame. Cool Chuck Klein bat, Philadelphia. He is 98 of 99. And pretty cool card. This Soler. It's a mini frame, 3-color patch, number 1 of 10. Pretty impressive card. So, as our recap, we did a nice investigative break out of this case. Only 3 boxes out of that case gone so far, and that's by far the best card, the Soler. But appreciate everyone who hung around for that little break. We'll be back breaking more.